Well, here we are. Finally, I've got a new shed, and this is it. There we go. Some of you might recognise the trailer. It's served me well. That is actually going to get reworked. That's a project to come. Some of you might recognise this. It's an XJ900 that I've been playing around with down in Victoria. It is a project. It's a basket case. Still needs an engine rebuild, still needs a lot of reworking. I'm not really sure which way I'm going to go with this just at the moment. Some people may be familiar with this one. It's a X something. It's a Virago. It's a 250 Virago. I picked up by accident from the auctions. I was playing around, had a few too many beers, and I ended up buying it. So there's going to be a few videos on that one. There's my sandblast cabinet. There's a motor down there. That's a CB250 motor, which I do have the rest of the bike. Unfortunately, the rest of that bike is currently down in Victoria. All right, so as you can see, I'm still not settled in. I've only been in here a little while. So I've been sorting boxes, sorting stuff out of boxes, putting in new shelving. As you can see, I really still don't have enough shelving space for everything that I've got, and I've probably got what's in here again. You know, it's a workbench over there, it's a press, it's a washing machine, the toolboxes. You might have seen that toolbox before. That's really the shed in a nutshell. It does have a few other areas. So a bit of a look around in here. There's my guitar, Takamine, Takamine, however you like to pronounce it. That's my bedroom over there, so we're not going in there. That's an absolute mess. But this is where I'm at. So as far as a reveal video goes, it's probably not that exciting. I might have to put some sparks and some fireworks or something in it. We've got lots of bits and pieces all over the place here. Off the light's going to be good enough. That's the barrels, head, cams for the XJ900 motor, which is it's a 1980 model, so it is actually an 849cc motor. This 1980 model was the first model to come out in those, and it was an 849. The following model, they actually upgraded it to a full 900 or 894 or whatever it was. I can't remember now. What else can I show you? Not a lot. It's a mess. Still a lot of work to do in here. But we will get to it. Hope you like that. There's going to be a lot more videos coming up. I know I've been a bit lax, but please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button, and drop us a comment. Tell me I'm a dickhead. Cheers. See you later. Bye.